We'll guide you through how to understand the Wix refund policy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Billing and Payments option. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your transactions and subscriptions. Here, you'll see a section that lists your recent purchases and their statuses. Now, let's talk about the refund policy itself. Wix generally offers a 14-day money-back guarantee on most premium plans. This means you can request a refund within 14 days of purchase if you're not satisfied. To initiate a refund, you need to contact Wix customer support. You can do this by clicking the Help button at the bottom of the page, which will direct you to their support page. Here, you can either start a live chat with a representative or submit a ticket outlining your request for a refund. When contacting support, make sure to provide your account details and the reason for your refund request to expedite the process. Keep in mind that domain registrations, app market purchases, and other third-party services are usually non-refundable, so it's essential to read the terms and conditions carefully before making a purchase. For any other concerns or specific inquiries, refer to the Wix Help Center, which has a wealth of articles and guides. Don't forget to check your email after submitting a refund request, as Wix will send you updates regarding your refund status. Understanding the refund policy can save you both time and money if you ever need to cancel a service. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.